This is Manipur University, but what you're seeing right now is not a student event or an academic seminar. It's a full-blown commercial gathering by a private company, Herbalife, being held right inside the university auditorium hall. Private vehicles, expensive cars, and non-university members crowd the campus like it's a corporate fairground. And this is not the first time. For years, university spaces meant for education and research are being handed over for private use with no transparency, no consultation, and no accountability. So we ask, is Manipur University becoming a rental ground for private profits? Or is it still the academic sanctuary it was meant to be? This is not just a campus, it's a public institution. Manipur University belongs to the students, the faculty, and the people of this country. But today, serious questions are being raised. Why is the university property being allowed for use by private companies or individuals? Was any official policy followed? Were the executive council or academic council consulted? More importantly, were the students informed? Is there an agreement or sign behind closed doors? If there's financial gain, where is the money going? Is it helping students, improving labs, classrooms, or infrastructure? Or are we quietly witnessing the slow commercialization of a public space built with taxpayers' money? And here's the bigger question: are we ready to let private interests creep into our education system without accountability? We're not against development, but we demand transparency. We demand answers. This is your university. This is your voice. Let it be heard before it's too late.